Alright, I needed a few things from Walmart this morning. I just got back. This is what I got. I got some potato chips. And I got some more dip. And I got some orange juice. I got some milk. I got bread. And I got 3 pounds of ground chuck. I got a bag of oranges. And I love liver and onions. So I might cook that today for my dinner. And I've been wanting some cream horns. So I bought some of them. So that's what I got this morning. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. And y'all have a blessed week.